Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to track refunds on Temu. So in order to track your refunds, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and cancel the order by clicking on you, move along to your orders, and basically you're going to just go ahead to the processing and you want to cancel this item. You're going to follow along the steps as we spoke about in the previous video. Right now, if you want to track your refund after you've done all of the steps, you're going to just go ahead and click on your messages and you're going to see right here orders and shipping. In this area you're gonna find a message called or message says that your order has been partially refunded. So basically on your item, if you have more than one item, that means that partially your item has been refunded to your Apple Pay or to your Temu balance. And basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.